Hi guys, it's Marie here. Welcome back to my channel. This channel is about bags, lifestyle and fashion, but mostly bags. I post videos every Friday, sometimes Monday and Wednesday. I'm always on a hunt for the perfect bag. If you're like me, subscribe, hit the notification bell and let's enjoy bags together. Are you ready for today's unboxing? I certainly am. And I'm very excited because it's going to be my proper unboxing. I haven't seen the bag yet, and I'm really bad usually with opening all my deliveries straight away when they come in. But today I decided to reveal the bag to myself and to you in front of the camera while I'm filming. I'm very excited also because it's my very first purchase from this fashion house, from this brand. I've seen the bags before in the shops, I did touch them, I enjoyed them, but I've never bought them myself. So that's my very first time, my first purchase experience with this brand. And also, I've never had a bag of this color in my collection before. That's another part of my excitement today. Taking all of that in consideration, let's go further and unbox the bag, and reveal that. So here we go. You already know from the thumbnail for this video that it's going to be a ALAIA bag. It's a very famous fashion house, French fashion house, and they are super hot at the moment with their bags, very edgy, trendy bags, and also with their flat shoes. You probably have seen those sparkly flat shoes or the braided mesh shoes. Yeah, they're all coming from the ALAIA fashion house and ALAIA brand. I ordered this bag directly from them, from their website. It came from Italy. That's what it looks like. So it's just a regular box with some puffy, cushiony things inside and the actual box for the bag. So I did open this cupboard before the filming, just for the, my own comfort's sake. But now, apart from those cushiony things, we don't have anything else. It's just a invoice and return label, and that's it. Nothing special. So we're going to put all of that aside for just now. Oof, I'm going back into the normal position. I'm grabbing the box. Let's have a look what we've got inside. It's nice, actually quite nice box. I quite like that, with a magnetic closure. Yeah, magnetic closure. That's so nice, guys. I don't know why I like it so much, but it's so cool. It feels so good. Okay, so how do they do that now in the... Yeah, on internet. That's what we've done as well. And let's open it. Here we go. We've got really nice tissue paper there, and I really liked, I'm not sure if you can see that on the camera, but here we have embossed letters, ALAIA, 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 over here. So, let's open that. I'm going just to rip it off. Yep, done. And we have dust bag, ALAIA Paris dust bag, and you already can see that the bag is going to be tiny. But you know me, I'm a tiny mini micro bag lady, so it's no surprise here. For my first purchase from ALAIA brand, I went for the smallest bag they have. Okay, nothing else actually. I've just quickly checked the box inside, nothing else. That's it, just a tissue paper and a dust bag. I'm going to put that beautiful box aside, and I'm going to reveal the bag. You probably already can see the little sneak peek there of what color it's going to be. The quality of the dust bag is actually, guys, really good. It's really thick cotton, and inside it has some sort of a microfiber. It's not lining, but it's just, it reminds me some sort of a sweatshirt lining inside. Feels really nice. So we're going to untie those little thingies on the side, and I'm going to quickly reveal to you this beautiful bag, which is ALAIA Teckel bag in the small size and the color red. Ba-ba! That's what it looks like. What do you think? I don't have any red bags in my collection, and that's why with this particular bag, I went for the red color, and I've seen how people styling this red bag as a centerpiece of their outfit, and I absolutely loved it. The only thing I have here, and I'm looking at that just now, and I'm like, and it's like, alert, alert, alert. I'm not 100% sure if I would be able to fit my large iPhone Pro Max 16 centimeters long inside there. And I'm not so much worried about the length of the phone, it's more about the width of the phone in this case. But without further ado, I promise I'm going to release the first impression and review video for this beautiful ALAIA Teckel bag very soon. So stay tuned for that. This bag was my impulse purchase. Why did I purchase this like that? First of all, internet sold it to me. Yes, I did see how people are styling this bag and how beautifully it looks, and as I mentioned, like a statement piece in their outfit. You know, you can wear just a very simple black and white outfit and then add this bright, vibrant red accent, which is very fashionable at the moment, and that's it. The whole outfit is wow, wow, wow. I love that idea. Then the secondly, I absolutely love how that design with the long shoulder straps, and it looks so cute. And actually, Le Teckel means dash hound, sausage dog in French, and I have a really soft spot for dogs. Guys, I'm going to reveal that today, but that's the one of the truth, one of the facts about me. I love dogs. And then the other thing that I really wanted to mention here, this bag is super cute, and I don't have any bags from ALAIA brand. I absolutely love this teeny weeny details, the ALAIA branding. Like a little tag here, just to add a little bit of character to the bag, which is matching those zip tags as well on the side. And I love the fact that it has this button up thing. Loads of actually brands adding on this thing to their bags, and I've seen that recently at the MULBERRY, their soft base water bag, and also PRADA. They are very similar buckle vintage bag, looking the shape pretty much identical to that one. Is just a more details with the buckles and the leather straps there as well. I've actually showed that PRADA bag in my Glasgow shopping vlog video. If you haven't seen this video yet, I'm going to leave the link below for you to check this out. What else do we have here? We have this tag. Please don't remove that, otherwise you wouldn't be able to return the bag. I'm going to keep it here for just now, because I need to inspect the bag properly myself, give you the full review, and then the main thing, check if my iPhone gets in there. I should have checked that in the shop when I've seen this bag in the shop, but for whatever reason I totally forgot to do that, and now yeah, I'm going to do that in front of you guys in my full review video for this bag. And here we have, let's have a look what we have here. I don't know. Oh no, it's just nothing happening here actually. Those are just ALAIA, just a blank tags there, and inside this, that looks like an envelope, but it's completely empty. Not quite understand the purpose of that, but it looks cute. And what do we have inside there? I love this idea that the bag is open up, like, you know, on the both sides. I'm not quite sure how functional it is. Again, we're going to discuss that in full in my review video in the first impression. And then here we have loads of tissue paper. Ah, I remember seeing that online. So here we have a tiny little mirror with the ALAIA engraving on that, and a red tag, a leather tag, which is matching our tag over here and also on the zipper as well. And it's a proper mirror. It actually feels quite heavy and like a metal, but it's a proper mirror, and I can use that right now That's a really interesting little feature. I haven't seen anything like that before with the other brands. And here we have, so it's just saying that it's a Teckel small shiny goat skin. So now we know what it's made of. But I'm going to explore a little bit more about the bag. Inside the bag, it's a micro suede lining and loads of tissue paper, as always. Do we have any pockets or anything like that? It's just a one small card slot there. And I would assume that it's a couple of cards will fit in there, maybe 3 max, but no more than that. And apart from this, nothing else inside. What do we have at the bottom? At the bottom, we have 2 pieces of leather coming together. And actually that could serve as a protection, you know, like usually our metal fitties at the bottom of the bag. So here it also can serve as a protection of the bag to protect the goatskin leather here. I love the overall, I love how cute, tiny and small this bag is. Again, I'm not sure if my large iPhone fits in there, and yes, I should have been more proactive and check the bag when I saw that in the shop in this particular small size. And yes, I did purchase the small size rather than medium because the bag comes also in the medium regular size. I did go for the small size because they didn't have a regular size in the red color, and the red color was one of the main factors of me making this impulse purchase. What do you think, guys, about this super hot ALAIA Teckel small bag? Yes or no? Leave your comments below. And that's me for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. If you did, you know where to find thumbs up, subscribe button, notification bell, and I will see you next time. Bye!